Hey, what's up YouTube? This is part 15 of the K20 Swap Integra, and I finally got my YONAKA Axles in. They're a really good company. I haven't had any problems with them at all. If you have had in the past, I would say they've improved because these axles are basically pretty good for a street car. They don't have any issues, and I haven't broken any. I don't know anybody that has. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those installed. I also ordered 2 brand new upstream and downstream O2 sensors because I don't want to have any problems when it comes down to the bar. That would be the least on my mind. So got those in. The exhaust shop is ordering a brand new catalyst converter just to make sure I don't want to have any problems. So once that's in, I can take the car to the exhaust shop and get that on, get my O2 sensors ran, so make sure I don't have any check engine lights for that. Other than that, I don't think I'll have any other check engine lights because everything is pretty much plugged in, and I'm not throwing any major codes for anything besides the O2 sensors, so hopefully that'll be it as far as that. So get these axles on, get the car back just looking like how it used to be, and then that'll be it for today. Alright, so now I got my driver's side axle in. It's pretty much the reverse, but if you guys didn't watch the video before, I basically just installed the shoehorn with the 14 and then locked that down. Here's a 17 bolt, and then under you got 17 with the pin, and then you got your 32 millimeter, and make sure you stick it down so your axle doesn't fly off or whatever. And that's it for this side. So now I can put the tire back on and get ready for the other side. Alright, so suspension is all back on. As you can see, tires back on, axles are in. Got a passenger side on, I got my driver's side on, so all that is complete. This car is literally back on its feet. Some people are asking about the header clearance on the rack and pinion as well, so that's how close it is. I haven't put the bottom half in yet because it's still kind of dirty, so I'm gonna re-clean all back here, and then I'll install my hoses and then basically just start wrapping everything up. The next video will be basically showing you everything finished and basically getting ready for the exhaust. I'm waiting for them to call me, let me know when the new cat's in. I'm going to be throwing a brand new cat. I don't want to have any issues. Like I said, I got brand new O2 sensors as well. I just don't want any problems, especially for like the catalyst system. So that's basically going to be it for this video. Next time you should see this car running and all tightened up, cleaned up, because I know, as you can see, my handprints are everywhere on this car. That is basically it. So subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you guys next time.